the next question is about this co-op funding motion, and we're trying to get actually some telemetry from how the partners feel about it. Um, Mike, did you know about it? And before we told you about it, did you know about it? And how did you feel when you realized that you'd lose it if you didn't use it?
Well, of course, I knew all about it. All new. It was new to me when you shared with us the first time. All right, here's my personal opinion on it. And I've read enough about it. I've gotten the perspective from you. I don't really have a major problem with it. I think it goes back to the accountability. It's a combination of back end, right? And I think we lost more dollars over the last couple of years than so I'd rather get something at this point. But if it drives us to also look at how are we collaboratively growing our business with Microsoft and we use it, I could care less. I mean, this is the same way I work with MDF. I earn MDF with every partner I have through sales, through a lot of other initiatives that we have, right? And it's up to me to use it. So honestly, this very much aligns, I think, with the rest of the industry. And if I'm Microsoft, I think this is a very, very good strategic move.